It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 3. I'm going to say it's a label. I'm going to say it's a label. I can't hear anything. It's nothing. It's a sticker. Oh, not in thread. I love them. Okay, wait. It's the stash. It's the Stitch and Stash tote. The Stitch and Stash tote. I can't show the inside, but it has a QR code for me to use to grab the pattern. But that's what it looks like. That's way, way cute.